I want to talk about my Redport range extender for Wi-Fi. Basically, when you're moving around and you need internet, you can't just simply rely on your phone all the time. You really start racking up your gigabytes. Anyways, so what I did is I got a Wi-Fi range extender by Redport. And what it does is when I pull in, I lift up my antenna and I can scan for open access free Wi-Fi, which ends up scrambling the signal so no one can hack in and get my stuff, even though I'm open on the Wi-Fi. It has my own firewall. Okay, and I'm going to go about show you how it's installed on my RV and where you can get it, which is at redport.com. Okay, so here's where I've installed my optimizer, which is basically now my Wi-Fi hub. Once I extend it, all my devices will connect to the optimizer and allow me to have Wi-Fi. What I have done is you have to run your power supply, which I have that power supply running down up in my cabinet, and then now you got to run a wire to the roof, and that goes. What I've done here is I've done that, run it through here, and then right up here I already have a hole that's been drilled through to the roof for my satellite system. So I just went ahead and utilized the same hole. And what you do is if you're drilling a hole to the roof, what you're going to always want to do is you don't want to drill from the roof down. You want to find a spot inside the coach that is free of obstructions up above. And what you'll do is you'll drill from the coach in, out. And then use, I use a coat hanger, and I use that to pull the wire through. And then make sure you do lots of silicone or mastic, which is that putty stuff. That mastic lasts longer, it's better than silicone. Silicone's cheaper, but mastic's better and lasts longer. Alright, so this is the 2.4 gigahertz 9 dBi outdoor omnidirectional antenna by Redport that I'm going to install on my TV antenna just like this. So that way it gives me a little extra height, and when I drop it down, I'll drop down flat against the coach when I'm driving. Now this mount comes with a thing we can actually screw in and mount and leave it up all the time. But that sort of stress and wind on it, I don't know. I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is mount it to the TV antenna so it brings down and lays flat. You can see over there where I brought it through the top, the wire. It comes over here, has both the power and TV control right there. So I'm going to take these metal clamps, get one that's about the right size. It's probably a little too big. Open her up. Now, the omnidirectional antenna will not interfere with the use of the TV antenna. Yeah, I could probably use a lot smaller clamp on that. Oh well. Oh, that ain't going nowhere. Okay, stand back, get a good look at it. Alright. Okay, so the wire comes out, goes up and in. This is my omnidirectional antenna. This is my HD TV antenna, which I usually always use a satellite dish and not the HD. But the bottom line is, if I do use the HD for whatever reason for local channels, this won't interfere. And then this, basically, when I'm driving, will lay flat on the coach and out of the way. And as you can see here, I talk about my solar. Here's my solar panels that I have. I got 4 sticky solar panels on this one and 3 on the back. You get better solar power out of them when you clean them. So next time I get to a place with access to a hose, I'm going to get up here and spray this shit off. Alright. Okay, so now that I've installed the optimizer, you go to any device, you link to it, and you go to the service browser and put in 192.168.10.1, and then you got to do the admin password, which comes in the directions with the admin password comes with it. You're going to go to Wi-Fi setup, where you can set up your name. Alright, so you got to do your admin password. I got mine pre-filled already. Alright. So first thing you do is you go to Wi-Fi setup. Alright. And the name of my Wi-Fi is Big Country RV. It's already been set up down here. So go back to home, and we're going to go to connect. It's all in the directions you follow, and I'll show you how to do all this. So I'm going to scan for whatever networks are currently available in the area. Now I'm picking up all these, of course it picks up my own network, believe it or not, it picks up itself. Obviously you can't say that, and it tells you here whether they're encrypted. These are all encrypted. So it means you need a password. These all down here are open. So this one's at 100%, so we'll try that one. Join the network. Submit. Okay, this is always going to read 0 until you hit save and apply. Yeah, and now it's coming in at 78%. 72%. Alright. Alright, so now we go back to home and enable the Wi-Fi extender. Okay, so I was unable to connect to the Holiday Inn because they have their own internal page you have to go to and type in passwords, but I was able to find a Starbucks that was about a half a mile away that I'm able to connect to, and now I'll be able to surf. Let's just put in like eBay. There you go. Pull up eBay. I don't need that bush. Our phones and our tablets only have like a 0.8 to 1 dBi antenna in them tops. Well, this is a 9 dBi omnidirectional, which means it goes 360 degrees around the trailer to get a signal. And you know, since I'm going a half mile away, it's not always the fastest. But it does work, and it's free. Just gotta reload it. There you go. And oh, there she is. The closer you are to the location, the faster the Wi-Fi is, and of course the less amount of people that are using it, the closer you are. Here we go. Booyah.